Days of the week: Sunday, Sunday, Sunday; Monday, Monday, Monday; Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday; Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday; Thursday, Thursday, Thursday; Friday, Friday, Friday; Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. I go to the park on Sunday. I go to the park on Sunday. I go to school on Monday. I go to school on Monday. I play with friends on Tuesday. I play with friends on Tuesday. I read books on Wednesday. I read books on Wednesday. I ride my bike on Thursday. I ride my bike on Thursday. I watch a movie on Friday. I watch a movie on Friday. I visit my grandma on Saturday. I visit my grandma on Saturday. What day is it today? What day is it today? Today is Monday. What day is tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. First day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day. Days of the week.